AI presentation tools are becoming more popular than ever, and Gamma AI is one of the biggest platforms helping creators, students, businesses, and professionals build presentations much faster. Instead of spending hours designing slides manually, Gamma AI can generate presentations, documents, web pages, and visual content using simple prompts. So in this full beginner's guide, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI step by step in 2026. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, click Sign Up or Log In if you already have an account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account using your email address or Google account. Once you sign in, you'll enter the Gamma AI dashboard. This is where you can create presentations, documents, web pages, and AI-generated projects. Now click the Create button to start a new project. So you can choose between presentations, web pages, documents, or AI-generated outlines. Next, type a detailed prompt describing what you want Gamma AI to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI-generated content usually becomes, stronger and more professional results. And that's your full Gamma AI guide for beginners in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create presentations, web pages, and visual projects much faster using AI-powered tools.